Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I used to run a hose through here to pump out gray water for watering the lawn, so I had to cut a hole in the bug screen, but since I no longer do that, it is time to patch this hole here. Let's do some research. Okay, I really like this video by Fixer2. It looks like we just need a blow dryer and this product called Screenmend, and they should have it in stock. Let's go shopping. We're back from Home Depot. Here is the price, not too bad. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We got our heat gun from the ski boot punch out molding video. The paper side is the side with the adhesive, so this is going here. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this next part, but I thought this would be a longer video. It's pretty simple DIY. Video 309 done.